Today we have 7 different types of sticker paper and 3 different printers. So I have my HP LaserJet, I have my HP Envy inkjet, and I also have my Epson 1500 wide art photo printer. So we're going to test out all 7 different sticker sheets on all 3 different printers so you can decide what is the best combination for you. And remember, if you would like to create and sell your own stickers, make sure to sign up for Sticker Camp. That kicks off this summer. I will leave a link to that below. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Tuesday. All right, so let's go through the 7 different types of sticker paper that I have. I have the Cricut Explore. I don't know why it says Explore. It works in any of the machines, but it's the Cricut Maker printer sticker paper that's in matte, and also the Cricut Gloss sticker paper. I shouldn't say gloss. It says clear sticker paper. I'm just making words up, so let me just read what it says. And then I have the sticker paper that pretty much everybody gets. If you're like, what do the other sticker stores buy? Every sticker store purchases from onlinelabels.com, and they get this 0L777 whatever. I will leave it in the description for you. And that's the standard white matte. And then we also have vinyl sticker paper. Now this one is just for the laser printer. I have a laser, so I thought we could at least try this out, see how that works. And you know, there's no reason you can't put these through an inkjet, other than the fact that it says it's not for them, but that's never stopped me before. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. And then lastly, we have vinyl sticker paper, and this is for inkjet or LaserJet, which I have heard is not as good. So yeah, I don't know. We'll check them all out, see how it goes. Today's video is sponsored by SimplyGram, which is an amazing service that will help grow your Instagram by about 5,000 followers every month. I don't know about you, but that sounds pretty great. And the best part is they do it organically and they don't need your user ID and password to do so. Now, you don't have to worry. They're not going to violate any of Instagram's terms of services. Your account is not going to be shut off. I have used them. They have grown my service and they have done an amazing job at it. And they have a lot of great features, 24/7 support. They have no downloads. They have one-on-one consults if you need them. So this is something you can just simply purchase and then forget about and check later, and all of a sudden your account has grown. Now you will get 10% off of all of these different fees if you use my link below, and make sure to go ahead and check them out. They do have a very easy, risk-free 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So it is a no-brainer to me to check out SimplyGram. All right, clear sticker paper was a total fail. It was just really liquidy. And this is the Cricut clear sticker paper. And I know what you're thinking, did I not wait long enough? I waited 2 hours and it's still super, super inky. I don't think it will ever dry. Next up is the Cricut sticker paper, and it's really thick like cardstock. So what happened is the HP Envy did not want to pull it through. I tried twice, so it just wasn't able to pull it. And I don't have a rear-facing loading, I should say, printer for the HP. So maybe if you had one, that would make a difference. Same thing with the LaserJet, just caused another paper jam. The Epson though worked just fine. And I didn't even put it through the rear feed. I just put it through the regular, and this thing was like a champ with just taking paper from the tray. So this is the only one that it works on, is the Epson. Next up is the Eva. I don't know if I'm saying that correct, but it's glossy paper. And so the HP LaserJet, and it is only meant for LaserJet, but I went ahead and put it through the inkjets and it worked just fine. It did come out nice and pretty and vibrant. The Epson did turn out well as well. I'm saying well as well. But you can see that this one is just a little brighter than the inkjets. And then of course the HP always looks fabulous. So same thing, I would say LaserJet obviously worked out great, then the HP, and then the Epson. And then next we have online labels. This has always been my go-to sticker sheet paper. And the HP Envy is just slightly brighter and more vibrant than the Epson if you look at the shoe, but it's like super negligible. You can barely tell. And then finally, we have my favorite sticker paper of all, which is the Joyisa. And the Joyisa, and I think it's because this is a super bright white. Let me just show you. Over here, the online labels page is kind of yellowish. It's like an off-white. But the Joyisa is a super bright, and this is a matte. And if you look at the shoes here, you can see the HP is super bright and pretty and super, vibrant pink. And this is more of a duller pink on the Epson. So, and as well as with the teal and everything else. So, HP, again, with the Joyisa would be my #1 choice for sticker paper. And then Epson second, only because the Epson does print faster and it does just seem hardier and it's more expensive, but these do look prettier. So that's a wrap for all of the sticker paper. And I want to give one last thank you to our sponsor, SimplyGram, who is just amazing. Don't forget, you get 10% off with my discount code below. And yes, I did check all of these out to make sure they were legit, and they totally are. You can check out more testimonials on their website. And don't forget, they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee.